Hello dear students, this is Vivek Vaibhav and you are watching video lecture on natural and man-made disasters. This is lesson 5 and fourth part of this video. Dear students, in the last video we have discussed flood and the risk reduced measures of floods, impacts of floods. Today we are going to discuss cyclone. So dear students, look at this, the condition of cyclone in this figure. Now, cyclonic disturbance, as you know that cyclone developed in the low pressure zone and the high temperature zone area. So tropical cyclone are caused by the development of sudden low pressure over the sea, leading to strong winds with thunder, lightning accompanied by heavy rainfall, or you can say heavy showers. So what is the impact of this cyclone? As you might have heard, before 2 months we are experiencing Fani cyclone. Dear students, definitely the shelter of the people of the coastal plain area, they have to evacuate. Embankments are broken and often there is contamination of water supplies. This sorts of things we are experiencing in Fani cyclone. Damage of crops, fishing and other infrastructure demolition you can easily visit it in this place. Okay, so this is actually impact of cyclone. Definitely there is the death toll of human beings, animals and trees are failing. So this is the impact. Now, the important thing is that risk reduction measures of cyclone. So, how can we reduce our risk for this cyclonic condition? So, we have to build our settlement very far away from the coastal plain area, which is vulnerable to cyclone. Okay, cyclone shelters must be built where the people who are evacuated can be sheltered before the start or before the onset of cyclone. Dear students, rows of trees called shelter belts must be raised parallel to the coastal to obstruct and reduce the speed of wind and surging seawater. As you visited in the place of Kerala, as you visited in the place of Goa, there is the row of trees they are planting. So this is why for this condition we can save our lives. Cyclone forecast and early warning. This is with the help of satellite technology we have. So because now this time we have advanced technology of satellite, due to which we can easily understand the weather conditions. So before this sorts of cyclone occurs, we are experiencing, definitely and surely with the help of mass media we can easily receive this warning cyclonic forecasts. Okay, now earthquake, this is also natural disasters. This is actually caused by the movements of plate tectonic. So plate tectonic theory, you can know that several plates we have made up of continental and the oceanic plates. It is actually jigsaw puzzle, and when it's come to talking about movements of the plate, when there is three sorts of things you can easily receive. One is convergent, another divergent, and third one is parallel movements. So convergent, divergent, and parallel movements, due to this earthquake we can receive, we can experience. Okay, impacts of earthquake, as you understood in the year of 2014, we are in the area of Kathmandu. People experienced high magnitude of earthquake. Due to this, heavy death tolls and demolitions of infrastructure we can easily receive. So, dear students, damage of constructions such as roads, building and bridges, water pipelines may be cracked. Sometimes the ground split open due to the earthquake, and disruption of roads and transport you can easily experience. So now it's come to talking about risk reduction measures. So risk reduction measures, earthquake prone area you can identify with the help of map. This is very highly earth prone area, moderated earth prone area, the mild earth prone area, like that. For construction of building, lightweight material we have to use, and a strong pillar you have to provide, you have to make your buildings. Geological weaker area must be avoided for construction, because you can know that in that weaker geological area, quite often than not, people experiencing earthquake. Okay, all buildings in earthquakes prone area must be followed guidelines issued by Bureau Standard of Bureau of Indian Standard (BIS). Okay, so BIS is the institution which regulate the system of earthquake, and with the help of this the regulation we can develop our infrastructure in that particular area. Okay, now we have human induced disasters. As you know that nuclear disasters, chemical industrial disasters, accidents, fire and gas, terrorism, and epidemics. Dear students, as you know that in 1945 in Japan, there was two places. One is Hiroshima and second is Nagasaki. And American soldiers, American soldiers throw the nuclear bomb, bombardment of the nuclear bomb in the name of little man, little boy and fat man's Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the two places. So that place is totally spoiled, and the people, newborn baby comes either brain dead or any other sorts of defect in their bodies in the present age also. So that two cities of Japan totally demolished. Dear students, so we have to keep this mind. Don't throw the nuclear bomb of any other place, because this huge destruction occurs in that place. Chemical industrial disasters, as you know that Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984 in Bhopal, where methyl isocyanide produces leak, and for that, after that, there are huge death tolls we could see in Bhopal gas tragedy. So, dear students, this is human disasters, because this disasters comes with the activity, direct activity of human beings, and the rest of the human induced disasters we are going to discuss in another video lecture. Dear students, I hope you understood well all these topics. Stay tuned, stay safe at your home. Dear students, thank you so much for watching this video.